Hello and welcome to Slydyr. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the point system on Slydyr. Once you log into your Slydyr account, your home screen shows you your points total on the left. On the right is where any trophies you win will be displayed. You can win points on Slydyr in a few different ways. Simply click on the menu on the left-hand side and click on the Points Guide to find out how. As you can see, you can earn points on Slydyr by getting likes, making connections, and publishing a new blog post called Stories on Slydyr. If you participate in a discussion room conversation, you'll earn 15 points. So let's see what happens when we try that. To get to the discussion rooms, click on the discussion rooms icon on the menu on the left. Then scroll down until you see a conversation you'd like to join. Click on the conversation's title and then click Reply to participate. You can also add emojis and even GIFs. If you'd like, you can also add hashtags to make your slide easier to find. Once you've posted the slide, you can click on your profile and see that your points total under your name has been updated. If you scroll down and take a look at your timeline, called a stage in Slydyr, you'll see the points you were awarded posted and your slide that you posted on the discussion room as well. If you go to your home page, you'll see the points total has also been updated. Another part of the point system are the trophies. You can win trophies by being exceptionally helpful in the discussion rooms. Here are a few trophies you can win and their requirements. On our next tutorial video, we're going to walk through the discussion rooms.